Hey everybody, Chanel, people of True Talent and Spirit. We are remodeling all over the place, so excuse the background. Stay tuned for those videos to come. What did I want to tell you guys? This video, we are going to make an omelet with the kids. I do cook a lot with the children. What I don't do is record it all the time. So it's really fun for them. They really enjoy it. We spend a lot of time with our kiddos, so this particular day they didn't really have a nap, and they didn't really do nothing but get on my nerves. So you may hear some tone changes. Don't worry about it. Hope you guys enjoy the recipe. Give us a like, thumbs up, and comment below. Deuces. All the kiddos are getting ready. I'll show you guys what you'll need, and that's eggs, little milk. Here's the what is it? We had steak meat. Milanesa, I think it's what it's called, which is like a really thin beef, like $9. You got like four nice pieces, and it makes really good beef tacos. Some cheese there, tomatoes, avocados we put in the tacos, cilantro and onions. And we did add mushrooms because we like mushrooms in our eggs. And it's real easy, y'all. Real easy. And you can throw them in the oven, so you don't have to worry about burning them up or anything. And we are waiting for the kiddos to get ready. Y'all hold on. So while the kids are washing their hands, we're going to take the cast iron skillet, put about 3/4 stick of butter, margarine in the skillet, and put it in the oven and let it melt. That's it. Nice job. No shells in it. Okay. So here are Andrew and Ashton. Andrew and Ashton are cracking up the eggs. Go ahead, get the next one. Get a spoon and get that out if there are shells in it. Go for it. Okay. Good. Keep going. Y'all be sure to check out Peepeye. Peepeye's Andrew's nickname. Peepeye's video, Old Town Road, in the description below. I think we shot that video when he was like 1.5. It's really cute if you guys haven't seen it already. Okay. Are you making sure the shells are out? Yeah. Good job.
1, 2, 3.
We're going to do about 7 eggs. So Ashton, help him. You go really fast, so go ahead. You'll get the shells out at the end. Nice. Put the trash can next to him. There.
1, 2, 3, 4. 5.
Yeah. No, not all of them. This is the last one, Peepeye. Okay, Ashton's getting the shells out. No, no shells.
The last one.
How many did you do so far?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2.
All of that. So that's got
3 cups.
3 cups of milk. That's too much. 1.5 cup, I think it's fine.
I got one in the cup.
Not all of it. Use the handle. And Ashton, you could start putting the ingredients in there. Hold on, let me get a good, yeah. Go on the seasoning. 4. Nice. A little bit more. Awesome. Okay. So we put about 2.5 cups of milk in there. Move out the way so I can see.
Can I do pepper?
Go ahead, do pepper. Ashton, you do season salt. Move out the way, baby, so I can see. Ashton, you do seasoning salt and start on the other ingredients, but I can't see. That's enough pepper, please.
Green onions.
Okay, so green onions,
Can I do it now?
about 1/2 cup. Tomatoes,
Tomatoes.
put some mushrooms in there, Peepa. All the tomatoes, about 1/2 cup of tomatoes.
Mushrooms.
All the cilantro, put all the mushrooms, Peepa. You don't have to do it one by one. Get all the the cilantro and the onions, all of it, all of it.
Where's all this?
Get all the mushrooms, Peepa.
Okay.
You guys like mushrooms? Okay. Avocados.
I love mushrooms.
Avocados.
I did all the mushrooms.
Good job.
Oh.
Good job.
I'm gonna do more mushrooms.
Avocados. That's enough. That's enough of those. All right. More green onions and tomatoes, please.
Okay. Avocados. Can I do it?
All the tomatoes.
Can I do?
Okay. Peepa, you do the meat. Go ahead, do the meat.
Where's me?
Most of the meat. Good. Just throw it in there. And Ashton, get your handful of cheese. Cheese. Extra sharp in Monterey.
Pour it all?
No, not pour it all. Just grab it by the handful. Ashton, just drop it in there, baby. You don't have to do that. Grab the handful and go.
There's some Monterey.
Stay in your own bowl. Okay, good on the meat. Okay, get the rest of your cheese.
Me?
Your cheese in your bowl. Okay. Okay, start stirring it up. Bless you. No, he can use that. You use the fork. Stir from the bottom, Ashton.
I'm stirring, Mom.
Very good.
Why do people?
All the ingredients you're stirring, Ashton.
I'm stirring.
Stir it up. Stir. Good.
Stirring.
Very good.
What is?
Keep stirring.
Thinking.
Keep stirring.
It's okay.
Make sure you're breaking the eggs at the bottom. Very good.
It's turning a green line consistency.
Okay. Go ahead and dump another handful of cheese in there, please. You like cheese? Yeah. Get it out of your bowl because you have the Monterey Jack cheese. And let Ashton get it out of hers. That's not a handful, Ashton. A lot more than that.
Where's mine?
It's in your bowl. Drop it. Okay. And Peepa, get some of your cheese. Big more. You got the white cheese.
I did more. More.
Okay. Go ahead and do the rest of your meat.
Me?
Yes.
Stay.
Start at the bottom. Did you do all of your meat?
Yep.
Okay. This is about after 20 minutes in the stove and everything comes together, kind of like a little pie. And it's going to be real good. So 20 minutes, I say we're about 35 minutes total. And then we'll take it out. Okay, everybody, and we are back after about 35 minutes. And there you have our omelet. Now it's going to drop down a little bit. Don't panic. There it is. Okay. And let's give it a sample. Come on, you guys.
Please, can I watch it?
Your back is hot.
I wanted to eat the whole thing. And eat one bite and then two one bite.
There it is.
Wow.
There it is. Kind of like quiche or a pie or something.
And kind of
Things
like
are all
a fish
done.
pie.
And the ingredients are all in there. The meat, the mushrooms, and the tomatoes.
I like mushrooms.
I know.
This has got to be the best omelet ever. And the cheese coats the top.
Be careful, it's very hot because it just came out of the stove.
Ow.
You can put it by itself or with tortillas, and y'all usually like ketchup and stuff on it. You don't have to look at me, just focus on the egg. Don't bring that in the house trash.
Can I just focus? Focus, 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 focus. Can I spit you?
Or sour cream or salsa makes it really good too. Whatever you want on there. You can have it with some toast or tortillas.
Toast!
By itself.
No, I want toast.
And it's 4 o'clock in the evening. You can obviously have it any time of day. So hope y'all enjoy. Please drop down and tell me in the comments how you guys ate it. What did you use with it? How did yours turn out if you tried it? And don't forget to like this video, and if you're not part of our family, please subscribe to do so. We are people of true talent and spirit. And Andrew wants to say bye.
Subscribe me.
Okay. All right.
Subscribe my channel.
Subscribe to his channel. All right, you guys.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Cause we all kids. Cause y'all kids.